Good day and welcome back, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Jamaica Adventure. So today we are cooking some fish for lunch. So I'm here doing some work, guys, on the computer. So I've decided that I'm going to get some fish for my lunch. So these are the fish that I'm cooking. So as you can see, you want to get the fish them brown, golden brown. Yeah, otherwise known as gold. Yeah, guys. So that fish saw me turn first, that was a rare fish. That's called bungobi, guys, otherwise known as gadami. That the other one, it's called tarpon. Yeah, guys, you know tarpon already. It's a game fish with a lot of bone in its side. A whole heap of bone. I'm saying whole heap of bone. A whole heap of bone. So you want to get the fish nice and crispy. So we're outside now, you know? Outside for the next banger. Okay, guys, so cutting up the ground season now. I have an onion, a tomato, scallion and thyme. I have a hot pepper, otherwise known as Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. That pepper is so hot, it make my fingers burn. So chopping up the onion, you know that go, you know. Yeah, man, burn out the eye, make water run from your eye and thing. But the onion is good for antibiotic and also a lot of other stuff, guys. And you know, the pepper good for burn off your mouth and thing. But I think that they say the pepper is good for a lot of sickness too. But you know, yeah, man. So cut up your onion, really cut up. Yeah, guys, so I've decided that I was gonna give you guys a cook up, a short video, because the rain is upon us again, because they say we're getting rain this weekend. So I want to give you the best that I can, guys. Yeah, man. So I want to cut up the season them, cut up the tomato. Yeah, guys, so I don't throw away the inside of the tomato because I like the tomatoes. I eat tomatoes raw. So yeah, man. And then after cutting up the tomato, guys, after that you want to just mix it, and that is what I am going to do. Let's cut it up real quick. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna give that a quick stir, you know. Yeah, man, just like that. The pepper there, burn off my finger them. I have to run and wash my hands with soap, guys. Oh my god. So after doing that now, guys, see that I look beautiful. Come on, you want to add some seasoning. I have some fish seasoning, some jerk seasoning, some allspice. Yeah, guys, no Maggi today, just some regular seasoning from downtown Kingston. Mix it together, guys, all in one. So what I'm doing now, I'm getting the seasoning all over. That's right. And I'm going to let that stay and marinate, guys. So watch this. Alright, so the rest of fish them now. The more can cook up. I'll fry them out and take them out of the pot. See me, guys? Yeah, man, I hit man. Hope y'all doing fine now, guys. It's December. Gonna be a cold one. Y'all in the other countries that have snow, we don't have snow in Jamaica, which you already know. If you don't know, you know now, guys, we don't have snow in Jamaica, but we might get rain. So everybody, that's abroad, be safe guys, be very safe. Yeah man. So take out the fish, you know. You're full of meat in it guys. Look on it guys, look at it. Very good. There's 2 fish we have left back to fry. And next Sunday put him in a pot already. Yeah, man. So I eat that man. See what I want? Yeah. I will put a piece of pepper there in a pot now guys. The pepper there, so put it for burn that oil now. Oh god man. Pepper there take my higher burn out when the oil burn. When the oil fry the fish then. Man. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Okay, so fire up the seasoning now. Yeah, man, add the seasoning, alright guys. Seasoning looks so delicious. Seasoning, can you see me, guys? Yeah man, look at that. Very delicious. Oh my words. Look at that man. All them scotchy there. Scotchy them bright in the pot there. You can see them very yellow guys. You get it a quick stir again. Yeah, after you get a quick stir cause you wanna make that cook you wanna make that fry for about 3 minutes. You continue to stir it because so you don't get burnt. You don't get that brown burnt. So you want to do now is add the fish guys. In case you're wondering where I'm at guys, I'm not in the kitchen, I'm outside. Yeah man, I'm hot today. So I decided that I'm going to whip out the camp stove. I'm gonna cook up some food, you know. Yeah, some lunch. That is it. Look at that one. I know you also want some of that in there guys. Yeah man, so leave your comments and I'll drop box it to you all. Alright, look at this now. Voila, looking good. That's looking so fine, like fine wine guys. The smell, I think in boy, on my voice over, I still smell the fish guys. So the fish smell nice. I eat some more of that again guys. Oh my god. Alright guys, so this is me. I'm going to enjoy my food now. We got to say grace. Alright, praise to God. And eating the rice. Yeah guys. Eating the tomato and get some seasoning on the fork. Yeah guys, that's it. That's so delicious guys. Yeah, okay guys, see me in my office. Yeah, I'm doing some work now. Doing some work, but I'm working the food first. Yeah man, I eat some food. Taste the fish now, taste the top one. Yeah man, look guys, a whole heap of bone that in there, about a bone night up, and I need to do a research on him and I see much bone inside. You see me? Yeah man. So see the computer turn off. I drink a one thing. One Jamaican thing, you know.